Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to create this look. This is an authentic South Indian wedding look and I'm very excited to create this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So at the very beginning, I'm starting my makeup by cleaning my face using Jocuse Rose Toner. You have to clean your face every time before you do makeup. After that, for primer, I am taking my SQ oil primer and I took few drops of it and massaging very well into my skin, and it will create a nice base. And now I'm applying my Biotique Bio Almond lip balm to moisturize my lips. Now I'm taking my Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 and applying it all over my face and neck area by dotting. Now taking a wet sponge, I am blending it nicely. I have taken the foundation in a generous amount because it's a wedding makeup, so it should give a high coverage, but the finish should be very natural. So after getting done with my foundation, I am taking my L18 lipstick in a orangey shade. I will mention all the shades in the description box, and I am applying it as my color corrector. If you also don't have a color correcting palette or something, you can definitely try this out. It's a very nice hack. And over that, I am applying Wet n Wild concealer to hide my under eye dark circles, and I'm also applying it on the bridge of my nose to highlight, and the other areas like forehead and lower cheekbones to highlight them, and also around the lip areas where I found some dark spots. Now I will blend it out with the same sponge. So after concealing, I am taking my Miss Claire Shape My Face palette, and from there I am taking the highlighting powder to apply on the places where I have highlighted or concealed before this, and also set my face with the same powder. After completing my base makeup, I am directly moving to draw my eyebrows. So from the same palette, I am taking the concealing powder. It has a nice brown concealing powder, and with an angle brush I am filling my eyebrows and also giving a nice shape to it. As the lockdown period is going on, I am trying my best possible ways to create the videos, and I am making these looks by using all the products I have at my house. I'm done with my eyebrows, so now I'm taking my Beauty People Blowout palette, and from there I'm taking a very bronzy golden kind of shade and I'm applying it on my eyelids. Now I'm taking a pink shade from the same palette in a flat brush and applying it on the corners of my eyelid. And today I do not want any kind of harsh or bold eye look. I want to give it a very simple finish, so I will blend it out nicely. Now taking a fluffy brush, I am blending it nicely to have a smooth finish. So now I am taking the same bronzy shade from the palette and applying on the eyelids to give a nice shine. So I am done with my one eye, and I will do the same thing to my other eye. So my eyeshadow look is done. Now I am going to apply my liner. So I am taking my Lakme Instaliner eyeliner. It's a nice liquid eyeliner and it has a very precise pulley with it. So after applying eyeliner to both of my eyes, I am taking my Lakme Kajal to apply in the lower waterlines. And as you know, I don't like to put false eyelashes, so I am taking my Maybelline mascara and giving volume to my eyelashes. And I have created one hack to give it more volume. So I will apply my mascara in 2 batches. I will put mascara again when it dries out. Now I'm removing my lip balm and applying some concealer over it to give it a nice matte finish, because today I'm going to apply a very creamy dark lipstick shade, and it's going to help the lipstick to stay at its place and doesn't get spread all over my face. And now I'm taking my Miss Clear palette, and from there I'm taking the contouring powder to contour my face. So I'm starting from my cheekbone and dragging it down to my jawline and going over the places where I need to contour. After contouring my whole face, I am taking a small brush to contour my nose area and going to blend out with the same fluffy brush. Now from Miss Clear palette, I am taking some more highlighting powder and applying in the nose and under eye areas. Now I'm taking a very beautiful lipstick by Sabyasachi and L'Oreal Paris, and it is in a very beautiful maroon shade. It is a very good brand product in a very affordable price, so you can definitely go for this. And as it's a very dark color, I will clean up the outer edges of my lips with using some concealer. And from the same Miss Clear palette, I am applying blush with a very light hand. And now for highlighting my face, I am using my all-time favorite Lakme Face Sheer, and it will glow up my whole look. So I am almost done with my makeup. Now I am going to put a red bindi and put another coat of mascara, and then I am going to show you my whole look. So I hope you have liked the video. So please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see any other video on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.